So if I type wget right over here in my terminal, so I'm going to get this error, command not found, wget. So in order to install the wget in your Mac, you need to first install the homebrew user package spinner. That will help us to install the wget. To install it, just type this command into your terminal. So you're going to get this command in my website. My website link is given in the description. Just go ahead and open the website and then copy the command from there. Just type this command, copy it, then paste it, then hit enter. Now it's going to install the homebrew in your Mac. Then enter your password. In my Mac it is already installed. Let me just hit enter. Continue. It's downloading and installing the homebrew. So as you can see that the brew is installed in my computer. Now I can type the command to install the wget. So write brew install wget, then hit enter. Make sure that you're connected to the internet before typing all these commands. So as you can see that the word wget is installed in my computer. If I search for wget, then as you can see wget help for more options. It is successfully installed in our computer. So hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.